Hello, season greetings to all dear students. All you know that our Olympiad season has arrived with full enthusiasm, expectations and achievement. And here comes the National Standard Examination NSE, a call for enrollment for NSE conducted by the Indian Association of Physics Teachers IAPT in coordination with Association of Chemistry Teachers ACT and Association of Teachers in Biological Sciences ATBS in the subjects Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Astronomy and Junior Science. These NSEs are the first stage and the only screening test in India leading towards international Olympiads in the respective science subjects. All further stages are conducted by Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, HBCSE, Mumbai. Toppers from these Olympiads from each state or union territory will be eligible for Stage 2, that is, Indian National Olympiads INO 2025 in respective subjects. These national standard examinations in physics, chemistry, biology and astronomy are at CBSE class 12th level. National Standard Examination in Junior Science NSEJS is at CBSE class 10th level. These are the only examinations that lead to the participation of Indian students in the national and international science Olympiads. Do you know? No other examination is recognized for this purpose. These Olympiads are internationally recognized competitions in various fields of knowledge. They are the highest level of competitions and are hosted by different countries every year. Participation on any of these Olympiads have worldwide recognition and are considered as a great achievement. International Olympiads are held every year in the subjects maths, physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy and junior science. So students, please note the eligibility criteria for NSEJS. Students studying in class 8th, 9th and 10th standard with date of birth criteria. And for NSE in physics, chemistry, biology and astronomy, students studying in class 10th to 12th standard with date of birth criteria. Important information: student registration started on 21st August 2024. Last date of registration is 14 September 2024. Registration fees Rs 300 per subject. So dear students, enroll NSE to enjoy science with fun at school level, a challenge for in-depth learning, a major Olympiad program in science in India, and to achieve excellence through the national and international level. These Olympiads are not merely competitions, rather they are the means to meet young, bright minds and to build new friendships that cater future scientific collaborations all across the world. So request to students, please make our country proud of its young scientists. For registration and details, please follow the link. Thank you all the best.
എൻട്രൻസ് സംബന്ധമായ വാർത്തകളും അപ്ഡേഷനുകളും ഏറ്റവും വേഗം ആധികാരികമായി അറിയാൻ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റഡി സെന്റർ പാല യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ അമർത്തുക. ഈ വീഡിയോ മറ്റു സുഹൃത്തുക്കളിലേക്ക് മാക്സിമം ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക.